At TCS, we protect and conserve depleted freshwater turtles in the country. And we do this by conducting research projects, conservation programs, education activities, as well as a community empowerment initiative.
At Melvita, beauty is more than just skin deep. It's about the glow of nature preserve in our rivers, ocean, and the lives we protect. Every empty return may seem small, but together it makes a big difference, even preserving endangered species. Recycle your beauty empties.
Recycle your beauty empties. Recycle your beauty empties.
Recycle your beauty empty with us.
For cleaner rivers, oceans, and a safer home for turtles.